have to find R. So R will be equal to any number divided by the previous number. We know the standard form of the GP. What is the standard form? AR square, AR cube, AR to the power 4. When the bases are same, the powers can be added. Hello everyone, I am Purnima, faculty in the Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Rate College, Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I welcome you all to this session. So in this session, we will be working some more problems on GP, that is geometric progression. Now let us have a look at the first problem. Which terms of the sequence root 3, 3 root 3 is 729. Now the given GP is root 3, 3 root 3. Now we have to find the nth value of 729. So we have to find what is Tn, then okay, so we have to first note what is given in the problem. So we have to find Tn. Now we will note down what is given in the problem here. So what is given? A. What is A here? A is equal to root 3. Now we have to find R. So R will be equal to any number divided by the previous number. So the previous number is 3. So I divide these two numbers. So I get the answer as root 3. So R equals root 3. A is also equal to root 3. Now we have to find Tn. So they have already given Tn equals AR to the power of n minus 1. So what is the value of Tn? 729 equals A. So root 3 into R, that is again root 3 to the power of n minus 1. So I don't know n, so I am writing n as it is. Now 729 equals root 3 into root 3 to the power of n minus 1. So 729 divided by root 3 equals root 3 to the power n minus 1. Now this 729, we will factorize it. So I will factorize this 729. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Then 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Now 81, when we divide it by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now, how many times we have multiplied 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 3 to the power of 6 equals 729. Now, if I have to express it in terms of root, so this will be equal to 3 to the power of 6 into 2 divided by root 3 equals root 3 to the power of n minus 1. Now, 3 to the power of 6 into 2 is 3 to the power 12. So, 3 to the power of root 3 to the power of 12 minus 1 equals root 3 to the power of n minus 1. Now, when we simplify this, root 3 to the power of 12 minus 5, so root 3 to the power 11 equals root 3 to the power n minus 1. So, when the bases are same, the powers can be added. So, n minus 1 equals 11, n equals 11 plus 1, that is 12. So, n equals 12 is the answer. So this is the answer. So we are finding the nth value. So we know A equals root 3. R is also equal to root 3. How we got R as root 3? So 3 root 3 by 3 equals root 3. So 729 equals root 3 into root 3 to the power n minus 1. So root 3 to the power n minus 1. So when I simplify this, I will be multiplying the power into 2. So that will be root 3 to the power of 12 minus 1. So when I simplify this, I get n equals 12. Now the next problem, which terms of the GP 5 minus 5 by 2, 5 by 4 is 5 by 1024. Now let us write what is given in the problem. What is given? The first term is given. The first term is A. A equals 5. And we have to find R. So R will be equal to 5 by 4 whole over minus 5 by 2. So any number divided by the previous number. So R will be equal to 5 by 4 into 2 by minus 5. So 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So this will be minus 2 by 4, or R is equal to minus half. So R equals minus half. Then we have to find the Tn value. So n term I don't know. So I don't know. So I write Tn equals AR to the power of n minus 1. So what is the term given here? 5 divided by 1024 equals 5 into minus half to the power of n minus 1. Now, I simplify this further. 5 by 1024 divided by 5 equals minus half to the power of n minus 1. Now, when I simplify this further, I get 5 by 1024 into 1 by 5 equals minus half to the power of n minus 1. Now, 5 and 5 gets cancelled. 1 by 1024 equals minus half to the power of n minus 1. Now, this 1024, I am simplifying this. So, 2 5s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Again, 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, then 2 8s are 16. Then again, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Then 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 6s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So, this will be, you have to count the number of 2's here. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, there are 10 2's here. So, 1 by 2 to the power of 10 equals 1 by 2 to the power of n minus 1. So, this I can write it as half to the power 10 equals minus half to the power of n minus 1. So, whenever there is a negative sign or any sign in the base, you can neglect it. So, this will be when the bases are same, the powers can be equated. 10 equals n minus 1, n equals 11. N equals 10 plus 1, so n equals 11. So, 5 by 1024 is the 11th term of the GP. So, first we find A, then we find R, then we use the formula Tn equals AR to the power of n minus 1. So, when we simplify, we get n equals 11. Then, the next problem, the first term of the GP is 1 and the fourth term is 1 by 27. Find the CR and the series. So, the first term of the GP, A equals 1. and they have given the fourth term is 1 by 27. That is T4. That is AR to the power 3 equals 1 by 27. Now what do we have to find out? We have to find out what is R, and we also have to find out the GP. Okay, so we are given that A equals 1 and T4, that is AR cube equals 1 by 27. Now, so we know that A equals 1 and AR cube equals 1 by 27, or this is 1 by 3 the whole cube. Okay, but we know A equals 1, so R1 into R cube equals 1 by 3 the whole cube. So 1 into R cube equals 1 by 3 the whole cube. So R cube will be equal to 1 by 3 the whole cube. R equals 1 by 3. So we know A equals 1. So I substitute the value of A as 1. So 1 into R cube equals 1 by 3 the whole cube. R cube equals 1 by 3 the whole cube. R equals 1 by 3. Now, we have to find the GP. Now, we know the standard form of the GP. What is the standard form? AR square, AR cube, AR to the power 4. So, now we find the GP here. So, what is A? A is 1. AR will be 1 into 1 by 3. AR square will be 1 into 1 by 3 square. AR cube will be 1 into 1 by 3 cube. That will be 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 and so on. So, this is the GP. Now, the next problem. Here, sum the series to 6 terms. So, they have given the series here. So, we have to sum the series. So, I'll just write what is A. A is 1 by root 2. Then, I have to find R. R equals 1 by root 8 divided by minus 1 by 2. So, when I simplify this, 1 by root 8 will be equal to minus 2 by 1. So, R will be 1 by 2 root 2 into minus 2 by 1. So, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So, R will be equal to minus 1 by root 2. Now, I have to find Sn. Sn will be equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1 divided by R minus 1, or Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R to the power of n minus 1 by R. So, I get Sn will be equal to, what is A? A will be equal to 1 by root 2 into 1 minus R. R is, so root 2 to the power 6 whole over 1 minus 1 by root 2. So, when I simplify this further, so I get S6 equals 1 by root 2 equals 1 minus 1 by 8 whole over minus 1 minus of minus 1 by root 2. So, this will be S6 equals 1 by root 2 into, so 1 minus 1 by 8 is 7 by 8 whole over 1 plus 1 by root 2, or this will be equal to, I get 7 by 8 root 2 plus 1. So, this is the answer. So, when I simplify half into 1 minus 1 by 8 to half into minus of minus 1 by 2, the end answer will be 7 by 8 root 2 plus 1. The next problem here. Find CR and the nth term of the GP whose 8th term is 640 and the 12th term is 10,240. Now, T8 equals 640 and T12 equals 10,240. Now T8 will be equal to AR to the power 7. This will be AR to the power 11. So this is 1 and this is 2. Now divide 2 by 1. So I get AR to the power 11 equals 10,240 whole over 640. So when I simplify this, A and A gets cancelled. So R to the power 4 equals, so we simplify this. So 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. So again 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 2s are 4 2 5s are 10 2 6s are. So 16s are. So R to the power 4 equals 16. So R will be equal to 4th root of 16. R will be equal to, we simplify this 16 here. So 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. So R equals 2 is the answer. Now we have to find the value of A. So substitute the value of R equals 2 in equation 1. AR to the power 7 equals 640. Now we don't know A but we know R. 2 to the power 7 equals 640. So this will be equal to 128A equals 640. So A will be equal to 640 by 128, that is equal to 5. A equals 5. Now we have to find the nth value. Tn equals AR to the power of n minus 1. So Tn will be, what is A? 5 into 2 to the power of n minus 1 is the answer. So if they ask you to find the nth value, Tn will be 5 into 2 to the power of n minus 1. So that is the answer. So find 3 numbers in a GP whose product is 27 and sum is 13. So find 3 numbers in the GP whose product is 27 and whose sum is 13. So let the numbers be A by R, A, AR. Now what is given? A by R plus A plus AR equals 13. Now product equals A by R into A into AR equals 27. So R and R gets cancelled. So A cube equals 27. A will be cube root of 27, that is equal to 3. So A equals 3. So A equals 3. Now substitute the value of A equals 3 here. So 3 by R plus 3 plus 3R equals 13. So R is common. 3 plus 3R plus 3R square equals 13. So 3 plus 3R plus 3R square equals 13R. Now I rewrite this equation. 3R square minus 13R plus 3R plus 3 equals 0. So when I simplify 3R square, 3 minus 13 minus 3 is minus 10R plus 3 equals 0. So 3 3s are 9. So 3R square minus 9R minus R plus 3 equals 0. 3R is common. R minus 3 minus 1 is common. R minus 3 equals 0. So R minus 3, 3R minus 1 equals 0. R equals 3 or R equals 1 by 3 is the answer. So R equals 3 or R equals 1 by 3 is the answer. Now we find the GP. So I'll write it here. So GP will be A by R, AR. Now we know A is 3. So 3 by 3, then 3 into 3. So this will be 1, 3, 9 is the answer. So in this way, we find the GP whose product is 27 and whose sum is 13. With this, we come to the end of this session. Hope you have all followed. Thank you.